In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Shopify email subscription and newsletter opt-in. We'll go step by step, starting in your Shopify admin, and by the end, your store will be ready to collect email subscribers properly and compliantly. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're in, look down to the lower left corner of the screen and click on Settings. This is where Shopify keeps all the behind-the-scenes controls for your store. Inside the settings page, look to the left-hand panel and find the option called Customer Privacy. Go ahead and click that. On this page, scroll down until you see a section labeled Marketing Settings. This is where we'll turn on email marketing at checkout. Within Marketing Settings, click on Email and SMS Marketing in Checkout. Scroll down in this area until you see the card called Marketing Options. Here, toggle on the option for email. This allows customers to opt into your email marketing when they go through checkout. Next, you'll be asked to choose which regions this applies to. You can either use the regions recommended by Shopify, which are based on legal and best practice guidelines, or manually select the regions yourself if you have specific requirements. Take a moment to choose what fits your business best. When you're done, make sure you click Save so that these changes are applied. Now, go back to the main customer privacy page. Still in the marketing settings area, find and click the section for double opt-in for marketing. Scroll all the way down until you see the marketing double opt-in card. Here, toggle on customer marketing confirmation. This enables a double opt-in process, which means new subscribers will receive a confirmation email before being fully added to your list. This helps keep your list clean and compliant. Under that, make sure the option for new email subscribers is checked. You can also check new SMS subscribers if you plan to send text messages as well, but that's optional. Again, don't forget to click Save so you don't lose any of your changes. Now let's add the newsletter sign up to your storefront. Go back to your Shopify admin dashboard. On the left-hand side, find and click Online Store. At the top of this page, you'll see your current theme. On the right-hand side of that theme, click Edit Theme to open the theme editor. Inside the theme editor, look at the left panel for your list of sections. Find the footer section and click it to open its settings. In the footer options, look for an email sign-up setting or block. Toggle it on. As soon as you do that, look at the preview on the right side of the screen. You should now see an email sign-up form appear in your footer area, where visitors can enter their email addresses to subscribe. Once everything looks good, click Save in the top right corner of the theme editor. Your newsletter opt-in is now enabled both in checkout and in your store's footer, and you're ready to start growing your email list.